Some friends walk with you in memories, others walk with you only, until the opportunity arrives. They called you brother, they shared your dreams, they knew your struggles, but when life tested loyalty, they chose advantage. It's painful to realize this. Not everyone around you is here for you. Some are here for the moment. Some are here for the benefit. When you had nothing, they had time. When you needed support, they disappeared. But the day opportunity knocked, they remembered your name, and that hurts. Not because they left, but because you believed. This is where growth begins. When you stop expecting loyalty from people who only understand profit. Let them go, not with anger, but with awareness. Because real friends don't chase opportunity, they build it with you. Life will introduce you to better souls, quieter ones, stronger ones. They won't talk much, but they'll stay. So if you're alone right now, don't feel broken. You didn't lose friends, you lost illusions, and that is an opportunity itself.